right now we just have the three of us in the room, and then over down here in the bottom toolbar, it says share screen, record, breakout rooms. I click on the breakout room tab. How many rooms do I want? It says assign participants into one rooms. So let's say this part's kind of important. If you want, once you pick this number, you can't redo it after this until this Zoom is over. So I always go on the high end. So I'm going to say, let's say I have 5 rooms, because that would be, we're never going to need more than 5 rooms in this setting. But let's say, I guess you can always make it the number of teachers you have, because you're never going to need more than the number of teachers you have. So I'm going to make, okay, there's 3 teachers in here. I'd make it so I can make 3 rooms. But I'm putting 5 just because I always worry about not having, we just had a situation when we do the teacher office hour together. We've had a situation where somebody did make enough breakout rooms and then couldn't make more. So if there's all 7th grade teachers in there and there's 8 teachers, make sure you have 8 rooms available so that you can. And so then it gives you these choices. It says, do you want to automatically assign them, which means it's going to be random, or do you want to manually assign them? I would say I want to manually assign them always, because otherwise you can't choose where the teacher is going. So I'm going to say random, or not, never do the automatic, do the manual. Okay, then I click, there's a button that says create rooms. Now a new toolbar shows up and it shows me all of these rooms. And it says I can rename them or delete them. So I could rename them Bailey's room, but that's not really important. You don't really ever need to rename them. But over here's what's important, where it says in blue, it says assign. So I can click on assign, and then it shows, and all the students would show up here. So now I've got one, and then I've got you. So I can say, okay, I'm going to assign Habes to breakout room number 1. And then I can come down to room 2 or room 3 or room 4, and I can assign you. And after you assign someone, their name is going to show up on that toolbar on the side. And they updated it. You can add rooms now. That wasn't there in the springtime. But okay, so never forget my whole spiel about making sure you had enough rooms. Okay, and so now I can open all rooms. And so now all of you should have gotten something that popped up and asked you to join the breakout room. You don't really have to. But then if I hit close all, so Habes just went. He just left. He just joined his group. But he's in there alone. Now he's coming. Everyone that's in the breakout room always has a choice that they can come back to this room, and they can always message you as the host. And then if I can broadcast a message, I can say, everyone doing okay? And then it'll send it to everyone, even though I can't see them. Even as a host, when Habes left, I can't see those breakout rooms. But at any point, I have this blue thing here that tells me, yeah, for sure. You can't see them. That's the thing. I mean, you can join them. I can always join any of these breakout rooms by clicking this blue join sign, and I can join any of the breakout rooms. But for me to go there, then I'm leaving the students that are in the main room unsupervised. So.